bakamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, Umgosi wethu wa-today. Bazala bakamzitho, it's about Umayeni. Guys, on today's episode, we've seen Umayeni noMusa Mseleku. Bahleli phansi, uMusa Mseleku bekayeka Umayeni kubuza Umayeni ukuthi why she'll be not attending i-dinner because invite amakhosikazi wakhe to i-dinner and Umayeni wathi angeke aze attend, of which I felt as if uMusa naye ube a bit unfair because uMacele, they had a family trip. Macele said akathanda uku-attenda ama-family trip. This was a good thing and a huge thing for a family because ney'ngane zabe zilapho. Then uMusa didn't have a problem, but today bekane problem ukuthi Umayeni akafuna uku-attend i-family dinner, of which is so unfair. Azange abuze uMacele umbuzo obalulekile ukuthi cause uney'ngane and you are saying you won't attend the family trip. Iy'ngane zakho zophekelwa ubani? You understand? A simple question ukuthi ezakhe ingane zophekelwa ubani because you have uthando which is umntanakasi angithi u-under i-care kaMacele umntanakho owani ulwandle umfana, so bazophekela bobani abolwandle lapho. That means you are saying uMakhumalo nabo uMangwabi baphekele iy'ngane zakho. And guys, remember uMangwabi bekangaba ne-excuse ukuthi uye emsebenzini njengoba nakuleyo trip leyo usheshe wahamba even though bakahambela ama-reasons wakhe, but excuse yakhe uthe bengiya emsebenzini. So if Mangwabi ngabe bakangena, since she's the only person ongasebenzi, I didn't really understand ukuthi makathi akathanda ukuya why angahambanga, but-ke i-decision yakhe today. Umayeni uthena makathi akathanda uku-attenda the family dinner, Umayeni wababuzwa-ke umubuzo meaning of which I felt as if Umayeni une-right ukuthi why mina ungibuza abanye ongamabuzi, but I really don't appreciate, guys, or I don't think i-right imena Umayeni akhuluma ngayo noMusa Mseleku. Okay, ushilo ukuthi yena sakakhathele like dali izinto zenzeka, and I've been saying on this channel ukuthi you know what, one thing about amakhosikazi or abantu nje besimame, umuntu uyakwazi ukubekezela bese la sekachuma khona sekuba kuningi, then manje sesibone ngathi uyadelela vele kithi uzokama across as if uyadelela or akasafundi le ndoda, but manje sekakhathela njengoba uyasho ukuthi ukhathela akathandanga ukuthi uMusa ambize delusional nokuthi we know Musa on the previous season uMakhumalo wathi Umayeni delusional. But my thing is, guys, when I'm on the family trip, you seem to be very happy. Why namhla I bring up the delusional thing? I think nami Umayeni udlala the card lokuthi wena wathi ngi-delusional or uMakhumalo wathi ngi-delusional makangafuni nje ngentweni. If there's something angafuni kuyenza or nje ufuna ukuvusa uchuku uvela avusa indaba ukuthi u-delusional, kanti uMusa naye ngabe uvele wayenza ukuhlakanipha waxolisa so that they can move forward, because manje every time uzovela athi wena Musa wathi ngi-delusional, and that conservation yabo, guys, igcine ingaphelanga kahle because uMusa ugcine sekangala Umayeni amtshela ukuthi angisisilima sakho and bekasama-adressa ngoMusa. Musa ungazongenza isilima, ungazi athi kuMusa ungazenzi isilima nawe. Then uMusa-ke we know Musa every time mangabe uve ngathi izinto ziyaphezulu uthi ngiyagula, but we've seen him makano Makhwela he's fine. uMusa ubaba right, uyindoda right, but mangabe unala manye amakhosikazi udlala ikhathi lokuthini hayi mina I'm sick, isimo sami asivumi phela. Udoctor remember uthi akumele ambami stress, so sakazodlala into yokuthi angifuni ukustressa, but deep down naye uyazi ukuthi you know what, ngi-right mina ngoba makahleli nonkosikazi wakhe ona 25 akayidlali lelo khathi lelo, or mhlambe akekho right just that ufuna ukuba strong for uMakhwela ngoba uceda kufika phela. It doesn't look okay, guys. Mara him not looking okay, that doesn't not mean ukuthi Umayeni bongamelanga address inkinga anazo ngani. I just feel as if kaMseleku ba-address inkinga sezizinengi. Akubi nenkinga manje address Umayeni. Umayeni usho ukuthi inkinga kaMseleku makunenkinga manje akayi-address manje. I think that is the thing eyenza kube nenkinga manje. Kuzodlala the last episode manje ngo-9:30, so I think Umayeni ngabe wa-attenda that dinner because on that dinner uMseleku ubuzile ukuthi umuntu nomuntu onenkinga makakhulume into anenkinga ngayo. Mhlawumbe kulapho khona Umayeni bakazosho ukuthi angithandanga mina Thobile mangizobona ku-TV uthi ngi-delusional, and Thobile nje ayikho i-reason or excuse ezosho ukuthi uthi omunye umuntu u-delusional. You cannot say omunye umuntu u-delusional, you cannot say omunye umuntu uyahlanya, you cannot say omunye umuntu udome. You understand? Even though when you feel as if lo muntu la emqonda akaphilanga kahle, but awuthi emuntwini uyahlanya, awuthi emuntwini delusional, awuthi emuntwini udom, you understand? Futhi ngcono mawuzothi akacabanga kahle, mawuzovela ulibeke nje uthi it's like uyamdelela. And remember Umayeni mdala, unkosikazi womuntu, so uThobile mhlambe bakangaxolisa knowing uThobile, guys. I think bekazoxolisa ba move on, you understand? Because manje akunakuthula endlini just because uThobile uthe Umayeni udelusional, and uyishilo, guys. No Musa sakayaphika ukuthi azange athi yena umayeni u-delusional, but he did say that siyibonile usho ukuthi u-delusional. So manje sakayaphika. I think umusa la makhosikazi ami-stress azi ne-age guys, you know, ne-age. And the sad part ukuthi he's 50, he's 51 this year. Usa-ede omunye unkosikazi kule stress anaso, usahlulwa yiwo la makhosikazi. But I'm glad that ushilo ukuthi him being quiet doesn't mean uyisilima. Him being quiet doesn't mean akayiboni into eyenzeka egcekeni. Just that he just want peace. And I think i-unity leyo musa ayifunayo, he'll never get it guys. I just think he'll never get it. The only thing ezoyenza ukuthula maybe yiyo le process abayenzayo ukuthi umuntu nomuntu abe nomuzi wakhe bahlangane ngalawo malanga lawo makunama-events. But bazalwane mzitho, please do comment down below your thoughts about today's episode, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.